I have a customer here with a 2018 Nissan Versa. They lost their keys. I've already cut the key, as you can see. Get ready to program the remote. As soon as I get into the system, and there we go. Do I program the next one? No. And we should be done. All right, there you go, folks. 2018 Nissan Versa. Go ahead and take the key out. And key does start the car. Another successful job, 2018 Nissan Versa. We all done. If you ever need any keys made, please don't hesitate. Contact me. Quick pop, quick fix. Phone number 912-801-2963. All right. I think the trunk is open. Another successful job, folks.